Hello, my lovely warriors. There is a breaking announcement coming in for all of you this lovely Sunday morning. So, lots of positive developments. So, stay tuned till the end and do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button in case you haven't done that yet. So, Bharat's biotech Covid-19 vaccine, that is Covaxin, has been approved for emergency use on all the children between the ages of 12 and 18 by the Drugs Controller General of India. And India will start rolling out vaccines for all the children in the age group of 15 to 18 years from January 3rd. And that's what Narendra Modi announced in an address on Saturday. Earlier, Bharat Biotech had submitted data from the clinical trials in the age group of 2 to 18 years for Covaxin to the Central Drug Standard Control Organization and the Subject Expert Committee on Covid-19 after deliberating with the Bharat Biotech's application, which was submitted on October of 12th, had recommended granting emergency use approval to Covaxin for 12 to 18 years of age group with certain conditions. Following the DCGI nod, the Bharat Biotech in an official statement said that the Covaxin, which is formulated uniquely such that the same dosage can be administered to the adults as well as children, and it has established a proven record for safety and efficacy in adults for the original variant as well as the subsequent variants. Now, the next potential vaccine for all the kids is the Serum Institute's Novavax, for which the DCGI last month has cleared clinical trials for children between 7 and 11 years. As of recording this video, India has recorded 6,987 COVID-19 cases and 162 deaths in the last 24 hours. That's what the health ministry has said, and the country has reported 422 Omicron cases and as many as 130 people have recovered from this. Now, Omicron variant spreads like wildfire. That's what we have seen in Europe, South Africa, the US, and so many other nations. But the good news is, as of the initial data, that's what suggests, is that the cases are a little bit milder and the hospitalization rates are also lower, and especially that's the case with the vaccinated population. Nevertheless, if the number of cases increase, then even if the percentage of population that is seriously ill or needs hospitalization, if that load increases, that might create a lot of stress on the hospitals. That stresses on the fact that the entire population, be it adults, be it the younger generation, needs to get vaccinated as early as possible. The registration for the vaccination drives will be open on the Cowin portal for all the age group between 15 and 18 years. Also, do not forget to check your nearby hospitals if there are vaccination drives that are going on, and ensure that you register as soon as possible, because there is going to be heavy rush towards all these vaccination centers because the exams are around the corner. Now, apart from protecting yourself, you need to ensure that you push your friends, your batchmates, your relatives, and everybody around you towards the vaccination drive. Because at the end of the day, you need to protect yourself. We need to defeat this virus. And the only way that this can be achieved is via adequate number of vaccinations. Also, when you are in the examination hall, you need to feel protected. You need to feel safe, because you do not know what the person sitting besides you is carrying. Maybe he is asymptomatic. So the exams are around the corner, and the last thing you want is to fall sick. So let's push this harder. It's time to battle, my warriors, because we have to rock JEE, we have to rock KVPY, we have to rock the board examinations. And if you are with me, and if you have already registered or you're going to register very soon, do not forget to show your support by changing your display picture. And you can do that by downloading the picture which is there in the description box below. Make sure you put it up as your YouTube display picture. And if you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to smash the like button down there and hit the subscribe button and share it with as many friends as possible. Thank you very much. Hasta la vista. This was Captain Shreyas.